Hi friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie. I hope everybody is happy and they're all are doing well. And hello to all the newcomers. Well, I painted my canvas a beautiful turquoise with a little white. Today we're going to be painting a pine cone on a branch. So let's get going. Okay, over here I have white, black, yellow, a raw sienna, this one here, and a burnt sienna, the brown family right there. A mint green and a very dark green. And the brushes today will be a flat brush, and we have angular brush, and we have a pointer. So right now I think I'm going to come in with my flat brush, and let's get the branch on here. Okay, make sure your brushes are very damp. And I'm going to come in with some dark sienna. And again, you can make your background any color that you want. Okay, and here we go. You see, we'll have a branch just like this. Okay. Let's bring that up like this a little bit. There you go. And there you go. And we'll put our pine cones right there. Now we're going to come in with a pointer, and then we're going to apply some of the dark green. And we're just going to come in like this, and you're just going to stroke that down. We're going to do the dark color first. Okay, here we go. There you go. I'm just going to make a few of them coming around like this. And have them coming right off the branch. This again is with a liner brush. And I hope everyone is having fun. I bet your videos are gorgeous. Your paintings are gorgeous. So we're going to get the branches. There you go. And again, this is a liner brush. There you go. There you go. We're going to put some over here. We'll come bring that out. And we do the darker green first. There you go. I'm going to bring that down. And before you do any of this, make sure your background, whatever color you use, make sure that your painting is dry. There you go. Now, make sure we get it good. There you go. We're going to wipe that, and we're going to come in with some lime green. And that gives it, look how beautiful. Hope you can see that with the light. It really gives it a two-tone on your leaves. There you go. There you go, we'll pull that through. And I always keep white on my palette because white is great in case you have to lighten up a color or do any highlights. And right now, this is still lime on top of your very dark green. And you probably can hear my wind chimes. It's very windy today. And if you want to do a little squiggly like that, that's fine too. So you're going to be building this up. There you go. There you go. You don't have to wipe your brush off when you're working with the two different color greens right now for this. This looks so beautiful. Look at that. Very, very lovely working with the two different colors. Because when you have the pine needles like that there's a lot of them on a branch. There's a lot of them on the branch. So it's okay that we build all this up. Oh, that's really, really cool. And I'm sure all your paintings are so beautiful. I'm very proud of all my little artists out there. Yes. And again, you can make the background any color that you want. This is a turquoise with a little white in it. I just thought it'd be something very pretty. You can make it another color in the back. And you can also make it where you'll have a little snow on there too. If you want, remember these paintings are yours. Your choice of color. That's what you want to do too. Oh, I'm loving that. That is really, really cool. And down the road, friends, yep, we're going to be doing more fun videos. Can't wait to do another safari. That'll be fun. I'm going to show you how to make some people too. Friends, I need you to come back. Step number 2, so we can put in our pine cones, which are one of the easiest things to make, friends. And you can build those needles up as many as you want. Please come back. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.